Hey there, I'm going to teach you in this quick video tutorial exactly how to build your business using ClickFunnels. If you're a network marketer, you're going to want to pay attention. In fact, I'm also going to give you the exact pages from ClickFunnels that I am using and that are converting in my business. We'll come back to that in a second, because what I want to start with is the fact that I didn't just get up this morning and be like, hey, I'm going to make me a network marketing ClickFunnels video. I'm a network marketer in the field like you. I failed hard in 3 companies, found huge success in my 4th. I'm grateful to have sponsored hundreds of people, be it 5 figures a month, and coach this stuff and speak about it around the world. What I'm going to give you right now, the pages, ClickFunnels, is exactly what I'm using to build my business and build a huge team, and I've given to many other network marketers in many different companies all around the world. So be rest assured, this is working right now and it'll work for you too. And the reason it works so well is it addresses the questions that every prospect will ever ask themselves whenever they're considering joining you. Number 1, can I do this? If it looks impossible, or it looks difficult, or it looks hard work, most people, rightly or wrongly, will not join you. What I'm going to give you, these pages, will address that. Do I want to do this? You've got a bunch of stuff you do because you have to, not because you want to. So does your prospects. So if this isn't attractive, if this doesn't look friction-free, if this is just going around random people doing things they don't want to do, they won't join you. And they'll never tell you that, but that's the truth. So again, we need a different approach, and I'm going to give you that with these pages for free. Will you help me? Unless they're Richard Branson, they're going to need some help. But unless you're Richard Branson, why do they want to work with you? Well, we can overcome that again with what I'm going to give you at the end of this video. As a bonus, we've all been there. Someone you think's going to say yes, says maybe, or says no when you go around them and you message them and it gets awkward and difficult. You need a smooth way for them to join now. Like huge benefit, huge loss if they don't do it now. And I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. The reason things aren't going maybe to plan right now, I know they weren't for me, maybe this is the same for you, is without what I'm going to give you, this is what we're left with. It's awkward and difficult to show the people you know. Like, way to make my mum panic. Hey mum, I'm all breathy because I'm nervous like on our first calls. Hey mum, it's me. I got something I really need to tell you. I can't tell you what it is. We're going to meet up. She's like, oh my God, you're dying. No, it's good news. You're having another baby. No, it's a business. Oh, no, I'm not supposed to say that. And it just goes all weird. Even if you do it right, you sound all weird and breathy and nervous, and they're like, I don't want to do this, so they're not going to join you. If you've been through all those people and you're left with what we call cold market strangers, it's near impossible to do that. Like, hey man, I like your shoes. Want to go meet in Starbucks and talk business? Well, unless you got out of Ferrari, no, I don't, right? Unless you're the Wolf of Wall Street, who's slick enough and qualified and skilled enough in sales to pull that off? And who wants to do that? That's basically being a sales rep. Isn't this supposed to be a freedom, home-based business? Why do we need to be out all day, every day for 5 years prospecting strangers? We need a different approach. I'm going to give you it. So we end up wasting a lot of time on wrong people because we're just booking random appointments. We're on Skype for 3 hours. My wife's in front of me saying, put the phone down. I'm like, no, this could be the one. And we both know it's not. It's just some time waster who's chewing our ear off, wasting time. So we do a bunch of stuff that doesn't work. Well, I'm going to go on Instagram. I reckon if I do a pout that's sexy enough, I might get some followers and then they'll just join magically in my business. No, it doesn't work. So in the end, what do? Nothing. Because we're sat there thinking, well, I want to build a business. I'm motivated, but how the heck does this work? How's this working so well for other people and not me? This is where ClickFunnels comes in. For the everyday person that doesn't have a Ferrari and huge success and guru status, who needs to actually build from scratch and build smoothly and quickly, here's how we do it. A smooth and attractive way to educate your prospects on your business, its benefits, and give them total confidence they can create their own success regardless of your results or experience. ClickFunnels and what I'm going to give you also reveals the people most likely to buy now, and it's super simple to use, plus putting them through the process shows them a really attractive way they can build it themselves. We do this with 3 pre-built pages in ClickFunnels I'm going to give you. Literally, you'll set up a free trial, you'll click a button, they'll jump from my account into yours, you'll have them exactly what I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3, opt-in value, thank you page. Let me show you these right now. So we have 3 pages, okay? The first one, and this is where you're going to send every single person who's interested in your business, this is where you're going to send them. You'll have your own, excuse me, you'll have your own link. So don't be sending people to random information where they see your company name, you see your website, they just go Google it, they think it's a scam. That's a bad way to start off, right? Now they're looking for a way out, not a way in. Don't be sending them emails with 20 resources. Watch this video, then watch this, then go number 3, then go number 4. No, it needs to be something that shows huge benefit to them and captures their attention, and also sets first impressions. You know what you're doing. It's simple, it's smooth, it's slick, it's easy. They can do this too. We're already answering those questions without them even realizing it. Now, I've set up this template so you can change it very easily, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Excuse me. What you want to do is fill in these brackets with what reflects best about your company. How to make money from losing weight without stopping eating the foods you love, even though you've tried losing weight and making money for years. You know, whatever it may be. It could be something to do with travel. It could be something to do with Facebook. It could be something to do with, you know, whatever your company is. Their biggest desire, biggest challenge, biggest doubts. All of those, what are the most ones that you see related to your company, and address them there. You'll get them to fill their information out, and they'll be like, yes, I want to see that. If you have a testimonial from your company or it's yours, use it there. If not, you can remove that. It still converts without this piece, okay? Next, they click that button. You're going to give them a taste. Any YouTube video will do this. You can make it yourself. I'm all right on video. You may not want to do that. There may be something your company's already made. Give them a taster. Give them something that raises their interest about your company. You're going to have the same line in here that you had on this page. So you're going to have this page here. You're going to put this in there once you've decided what that is, okay? I also recommend you use some statistics. Like for your company, you may say, you know, 25,000 people in 18 countries have already got started. Like, this is emotion and this is fact. So, you know, there's a lot of going on at work there. I've tested this for you. I know it works, okay? Watch what happens here as well. I've set up a timer for you, and I'll show you how to change all this. So you're going to set this to the length of your video, whatever you put in here. And when it goes to 0, see, they're not distracted now. They have to watch the video. It's the only thing they can do. They can't click anything. But once that actual video ends, now they can take their next step. So they, oh, okay, it's a button. I may as well click it. And they come to this page here. Very, very powerful page. It gives you many different options and puts you in total control. Let me show you how easy it is to change this and any of these pages. This page here is set up for you to drive them to a, say, an online meeting. You may say, Richard, I've got a webinar coming up for my company. I have a registration page I can send them to. Great. Just click this button here, set action, and put whatever that link is to that registration page in there. Now when they click this button, it will send them to register for the webinar. Perfect. You may be building a local team. Richard, I want to send them to a particular event. Okay, put the details in there. Well, Richard, I don't want to do any of that stuff. I just literally want them to phone me or to text me. Great. Click on this button here and type in there. Call me now on this number. Call now on this number. And then put your number in here. You know, whatever. You can make this your own. It's very, very simple. Whatever you're going to ask them to do, I like to tell them in this video here. You don't have to. You can just cross it out. I don't want to make a video, Richard. Okay, just give them instructions. What I recommend having here is something that either you make or has been pre-done by your company that excites them about this step. If this is maybe you've got a specific website where your company allows people to take a free trial. Put your individual website link there. Put a video there telling them why they should take the free trial or something your company's created. If it's a webinar, talk about the webinar. You know, whatever it is, right? Again, you may say, I don't want to do that, Richard. I just want to put some bullet points about this, okay? Excuse me, trying to hit the microphone. Why you should do this. My microphone is in between me and the keyboard. Now, and then you just put the points there. So, you know, whatever you want to do, it's really simple. You don't have a logo, great, just cross it out. No big deal, really simple, then click save, and that's exactly what they're going to see. Really powerful. I'm not going to save that, otherwise it will save that in everybody's template. Really simple. And when they're going through this, they now see a clear way that they can build a business. Okay, this is really simple to do. This is friction free. I don't have to be out there, you know, messing around. I can have all the presentation done for me. Really, really simple. 1, 2, 3, tested and tracked. A lot of colors, the layout, the language, all this has been tested with my money. So exactly how big this video is, exactly the size of the